second graders. This is Mrs. Gordon. And every week, Mrs. Gordon is going to send you a video that has the three-part drill in it. And I know all second graders have done the three-part drill before. Parents, I'm going to kind of walk through it with you this time so you'll have an idea of what the kids should be doing as we do this three-part drill. So today, I'm going to first start off with introducing two new sounds that we are going to add to our stack of letter cards and sound cards. So this week, we're going to be working on the bossy R. And these bossy R combinations are a vowel and a bossy R, which the bossy R bosses the vowel around and tells it what to say. So the first bossy R combination that we are going to talk about today is the one that you hear in the word barn. Barn. I'm going to slowly stretch that out. I want you to really listen to that and think about what vowel sound you hear in barn. Yes, it's the R sound. It's bossy R bossing around the letter A. And so that is going to look like this on our letter cards. So A and R together, the letter R bosses the A around, and together they say R, just like the word R or the word barn. So say that word barn and stretch that out so you can really hear that R sound in there. The other bossy R combination we are going to work on this week and add to our pile is the combination with bossy R that you hear in corn. Corn. Doesn't that ear of corn look awesome? Corn. So let's stretch that out slowly. Corn. Yes, that's that or sound, like in the word or corn. And that's spelled with an O and an R together. So that's going to look like this on our card. So bossy R is telling the O what to say, and so together they say or. So those are the two combinations we're going to add to our pile today, okay? And we are going to work on some blending. So the first part of our three-part drill is that I'm going to show you letter cards. So there can be a letter or letters on it. And what you're going to do is say the sound that those letter or letters make on the card I show you. So you're going to give me the sound that those letters together make. Okay, so for this time, I'm going to show you the card and I'm going to pause for a minute. What I would like you to do is to say the sound that my letter or letters make. Then I'm going to say it just for this first time around so that we're saying the correct sounds that the letters are making. Okay, normally you would say it and I would go right on to the next card. But because this is the first time, I want your parents to see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to show you the card. You're going to tell me the sound those letters make. All right, here we go. O. Ft. E. Nd. Ok. Or. There's that new one. A. Ch. U. Sp. Sh. Sm. F. Old. Brr. Ch. Alt. Per. K. E. Ost. And R. For the second part of the three-part drill, what happens is I'm going to say the sound and you are going to letter write in the air. So pretend you have a big chalkboard in front of you, and I'm going to make the sound, and you're going to use the letters you know to spell that sound and write it in the air. So I'm going to demonstrate first. So for example, if I said or, you would go O-R spells or. Okay, after you write the letters, you draw a line underneath and you make the sound that O-R says, or whatever letters I'm giving you. Okay, all right, so here we go. Get your chalkboard ready, get your arm ready. Remember, this is a large movement, so I want you to write really big. Make your letter big in the air so that you're using your whole arm to write that. Okay, that is a direct connection to your brain, and it helps your brain learn those combinations. All right, here we go. O. I will show you the answer for today so that you can see. R. Ft. Sp. Sh. Sm. Old. Ch. Oast. Or. Good job. Okay, so now for the last part of the 3-part drill, we are going to use our blending board. So as we blend our sounds together, okay, I'm going to place the cards on the blending board. And just so you remember how this goes, when I get my cards on the blending board and then I say fingers up, ready, read, you point to each card, make it sound, and then you swipe it together and say the word that those letter sounds make. Okay? All right, so let's start with our first one. Here we go. Fingers up, ready, read. So I'll do this one first just to remind you how it works. Fingers up, ready, read. K, R, car. Good job. Fingers up, ready, read. Fingers up, ready, read. Good job. Fingers up, ready, read. Fingers up, ready, read. Fingers up, ready, read. I'm going to do this one for you just to make sure you're doing it right. Orn, thorn. Very good. Fingers up, ready, read. Smart. Fingers up, ready, read. Smart. Fingers up, ready, read. Spark. Fingers up, ready, read. Shark. Fingers up, ready, read. Spork. Fingers up, ready, read. Short. Good job. All right, that will be it for today. As you're working on your assignments from your teacher this week, really pay attention to those two bossy R combinations. See what kind of words you can build with R and or. And next week, we'll be adding some other new letters into our pile. So I will see you all next week. Have a good week. Bye-bye.